Do you know what calories are and why they are important? Well, let's unravel this mystery. A calorie, in the simplest of terms, is a unit of energy that our food and drinks provide. It's like the fuel for your car, but in this case, your body. Originally, it was defined as the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. This term has been around since the early 19th century, and in some parts of the world, it's also referred to as kilojoules. Now, these calories are present in the three main macronutrients we consume. Carbohydrates and proteins each contain 4 calories per gram, while fats contain 9. You may wonder why we even need calories. Well, they are essential for several bodily functions. They provide the energy necessary for our movement, maintaining our body temperature, supporting growth and tissue repair, and even fueling our cognitive functions. That's right, even thinking requires calories. Moreover, our blood circulation and digestion also rely on these units of energy. The number of calories we need each day varies, depending on factors like age, activity level, and weight goals. It's a delicate balance between the calories we consume and the calories we burn. There are different types of foods that offer varying amounts of calories. Some, like fatty or processed items, tend to have more calories. On the other hand, fresh fruits, vegetables, and certain whole grains tend to have fewer calories. And then there are foods like sugary snacks or soda, which provide what we call empty calories. They may give you energy, but they lack nutritional value. In summary, understanding calories is key to making informed choices about our diet and overall health. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds or maintain a balanced lifestyle, it's crucial to keep an eye on your calorie intake. So, a calorie is not just a number. It's a measure of the energy that fuels our bodies, propels our movements, and supports our growth. It's in the food we eat, the drinks we sip, and even in our thoughts. And while it's important to get enough of them to keep our bodies running smoothly, it's just as important to ensure we're getting them from the right sources. Remember, a calorie is not just a calorie, it's a part of our daily lives, affecting our weight, health, and overall well-being. So the next time you reach for a snack, think about the calories it provides and choose wisely.